Well, it's warm outside, but it's quiet for the most part. We've had a few showers move through southern Missouri and northernmost Arkansas. This is where they are now. These came through Springfield about 8 to 8:30 this evening. Additional showers in eastern Oklahoma. I don't expect any severe weather out of that. The area is still capped, and it looks like it's going to remain capped all the way up until near sunrise. Now, we've got clusters of severe storms to the north and west, one in Minnesota, another one in Kansas, another one here in southwest Oklahoma. And it looks like this may be the beginnings here, what we see in Kansas and Oklahoma, of maybe more of an organized area of rain and thunder that will be lurking just to our west before sunrise on Tuesday. Right now, we've got watch boxes to the north and west where we have those pockets of severe weather. No watches in our area outside of the flood watch that I mentioned at the top of the show. Looking at our severe weather chances, I really don't expect anything all the way up through at least 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Now, closer to sunrise, I do think that we could see thunderstorms over southeast Kansas and northeast Oklahoma. And I think with that wave, there may be a risk of wind and hail potential to start the day on Tuesday. That wave of thunderstorms that we see Tuesday morning will dictate where the risk of severe storms is Tuesday afternoon into the evening, because I think the morning round will probably push an outflow boundary south into northern Arkansas, and that's where we may see the focus for additional strong to severe storms later in the day Tuesday into Tuesday night. Again, mainly a wind and hail threat out of those storms. I think this is just a scenario tonight through Tuesday evening where the tornado risk, while not zero, is going to remain very limited. Now, looking at our forecast for tonight, outside of a few passing showers, pretty quiet. But near sunrise, look at this. We've got thunderstorms over southeast Kansas, northeast Oklahoma, spreading into southwest Missouri. That wave pushes east, again with that potential of some wind and hail. We may see additional thunderstorms a little further south, spread across southernmost Missouri and northern Arkansas later in the morning and into the afternoon. And I think that wave would push that boundary into northern Arkansas, where we may see additional scattered thunderstorms, some of which could be strong, heading into Tuesday evening. So we've got like multiple waves of thunderstorms that will impact the area Tuesday into Tuesday night. Because of that, temperatures will be rain cool to start the day, dropping into the low to mid 60s. And then I think with the clouds and the wet weather, they're not going to be allowed to warm very much. I don't think there's going to be a lot of recovery. It looks like mid to upper 60s for highs, maybe areas off to the southeast getting into the low 70s. Now, that boundary will likely lift back to the north later Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. So we get back into the warm sector. And as the core of the storm comes out of Texas, wind fields, well, those stronger wind fields are going to be back into the area. Those are the stronger winds that help to organize severe storms, and I think the risk for strong to severe storms is going to be back Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. Again, mainly wind and hail out of that activity, but there may be a somewhat better chance for a few tornadoes Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night. I'm going to be watching that potential. Also, heavy rainfall. I mean, multiple days of heavy rain will leave behind inches of rainfall. Looks like the heaviest totals over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas, where 3 to 4 inches may be common, locally more than 5 inches. Now, this matters because we've got a couple of days left in the month. We're already sitting at 10.5 inches in Springfield. Wow. So we only need about another 1.5 inches. And then we're looking at the wettest April on record. And I think that's very doable given the pattern that we've got through Wednesday. Chance for showers, Steve, too, will linger, I think, through Thursday and Friday before we dry out this coming weekend.
We expect April to be wet. You don't expect it to be 10 or 12 inches wet.
And we also know that May can be very wet. It's just that time of the year. So we'll see how this goes. But certainly April has been pretty remarkable for the rainstorms that we've had.
All right. A question.